What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and in today's video, we're going to be making over this haircut, and I want to create a crop top faux hawk. Something very edgy, something very unique, and I'm feeling very creative. So I'm ready to go. Let's get started. All right, everyone, here we have the finished result. And again, I said I was feeling a bit creative, and I just want to show you guys what I did here and break it down. So initially what I did is I took a number 2 guard, after I created and separated the disconnected part, all right, which is just following the contour of the head and the natural parting in through here, and also on the other side. Then I just simply took my number 2 guard and went way up here, right into the area where it's disconnected. So none of this is blended in. Brought that all the way down to the back in through here. And then I started off in through the back, cutting this part first. I really want to take this on to get rid of all that excess weight in through here. And then I pulled everything straight out from the head, leaving us about, I'd say, 2 inches in length throughout this entire part. And actually continued that length and that consistency working towards the front here. This is probably the peak of the haircut right in through here, which is kind of like the highest point. So I'd say this is about 3 inches right in through here, no more than 3.5 inches in length. And then what I did is I worked this all forward, creating all sorts of layers throughout the top here. I did comb this all down to cut a perimeter in through here like you saw before, just so I made sure that this was balanced on both sides. Because a lot of times you can't just bring the hair up and cut everything here, because when you bring this hair down, this piece could come all the way over here, this piece can go up here. You have to make sure that it's very consistent from the base or the core foundation of the haircut, even if it's disconnected. And then I brought everything forward here, created that crop top right into your, went in with some point cutting, which is how you create that kind of textured fringe or that textured look in the front. And then I blow dried it and then went in with pre-style to create the finished look. Now you really could actually spike this up, all of it, and let's just see what that looks like. If you wanted to go in there and create kind of like a full-on faux hawk like this, all right, you could do that as well. All right, there we go, that's what that looks like. It's just gonna be a bit more textured into here. And you know, I like to change up the style a little bit, have some fun with it, so you can kind of bring this over this way. You can really have some fun with this. That's the cool thing about having a little bit of length throughout the top, you know, allows you to play around with the styles and you're not so kind of restricted to making sure everything is like in a full-on faux hawk. But I just want to kind of show you guys the kind of diversity you can have with this haircut. Could this be a new trend? Who knows? Maybe this is a 2019 trend that we're going to see more of. Maybe some different variations of this. That would be really, really awesome. But let me know in the comments below what you think. I'm curious to know. Again, this was just being fully creative, just no restrictions. I want to do something a bit edgy and something a bit different, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you thought about this haircut. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.